What's up, people? We're back to IT. You're back to IT. So hope everybody had a great week. We got an interesting topic to talk about today. But before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below to let me know that you were even here in the first place. But we're going to talk about PostgreSQL. I'm going to talk about my first experience with PostgreSQL. And I want you to post your experience, your first initial experience with PostgreSQL. Post it in the box below. I want to hear about your first experience with it, because I'm not having such a great first time experience with this. If this was a date, it would be over. Like I'm not feeling PostgreSQL right now. Okay, so let me start with what happened. What had happened was, so I installed PostgreSQL. I'm all excited. I'm like, okay, I'm getting ready to learn something new. I'm used to using SQL Server. So I'm like, okay, I'm about to learn something new. This is exciting. So I get ready to install it. I watch a couple installation videos step by step, just to make sure I install it correctly. And I install version 13. I think 13 is the version that's out now. It was a success. Everything went well. So I thought. Okay, so I thought. So when I got ready to import a tar file, that's all I needed to do, because the file is what I need for this particular course that I'm taking. When I went to import the file or restore the file, it was a couple other issues. I got an error message. For some reason, it couldn't read the file or whatever the case may be. And then the binary path was not even set properly. Now, this is just me doing the natural installation. So I'm not understanding why everything is not set up like it's supposed to be set up. That's just how I feel about it. So after doing a lot of research, I go in to the binary area and under preferences, and I set the binary path, and fine. It finds it and locates it. Everything seemed to be going smooth. But once again, it would not, so it was giving me error messages from that as well. So it was giving me multiple error messages. That was one of them. The other error message was when I would try to create a database from a tar file. That still wouldn't work. It would always give an error message. And even in one of the instructional videos that I watched online, the error message was even in their video, and they were like, just ignore it. And this particular person ignored it, and it still generated his tables and all of the information. I ignored it. Nothing was there. No tables, no information, no data. What is a data set with no data? No, I'm just kidding. So I spent all day trying to figure this out, right? So I said, okay, cool. Maybe this is my first time installing it. Maybe it's just me. I uninstall it, because obviously, come on now, uninstalling it has to be easy. So I thought. So I uninstalled it, uninstalled the software, and I said, you know what? Let me try the step down version, the version before this. So I said, instead of 13, let me try version 12.6. I installed version 12.6, and when it was time to load PostgreSQL, it stayed on that screen for eternity. Like it didn't know what the hell to do. It stayed on that screen forever. It stayed on that screen so long that PostgreSQL even said, taking too long to load. I'm not even lying. It actually says on the screen that it's taking too long. And I'm like, you telling me? Yeah, it's taking too long. So it eventually generates an error message. Basically what had happened was, it's trying to load the configurations in the configuration file from the previous installation. I had to do a lot of research to figure this out. So I said, okay, well, that's gotta be easy. Let me just go and find the folder for maybe the previous configuration. It didn't remove everything. I researched online and realized I had to delete all of these individual folders and files to get all of it off the system. Now, I will admit my first Postgres installation was from the Homebrew package. I mean, when I want to uninstall something, I want to uninstall it and be done with it. I don't want to have to go and digging and finding hidden files like this is some great spectacular game. I want to learn SQL. Well, I know SQL, I just want to learn PostgreSQL. So after deleting these files, so this is like half of my day already gone at this point. After deleting these files, I was able to do another clean installation of PostgreSQL. So I'm like, okay, now it's not giving me that screen saying that it's taken too long, because it will really tell you that. The software will tell you that it's taken too long. So it didn't come up. It went right into PostgreSQL. I said, okay, I felt good about it. I felt this was gonna work. I was feeling positive. Once again, when I tried to load the dataset file, the text dataset file, then I tried the tar file. Neither one of those files would load the data. And I'm thinking like, well, maybe it's something, are the files corrupt? I don't know what it is. If you're a Postgres master and you're watching this video and you know what it is that I'm doing wrong, post it in the comment box below. It's okay. You know, I'm coming back to IT. That's what we're here for. But I'm just telling you right now, I'm not really feeling PostgreSQL. I'm kind of like, what is it that people like about this glitchy software? I don't know. I'm not feeling the fact that to uninstall a software, I gotta go and find folders and specific files and get them off the system manually. It just makes me wonder, you know. So if you know PostgreSQL and you know what's going on, post it in the box below. Otherwise, I want to know what it is. What was your initial experience with PostgreSQL? I want to know. Maybe I'm just having an isolated case. Maybe it's something on my laptop. And I forgot to mention I have a Mac and I'm using, what is it? Big Spur is the latest system software that's on there. So I don't know. Maybe it's not working well with that or something. But post your comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know. I mean, I'm probably going to get it and figure it out, but this is just my initial response to PostgreSQL. I'm not saying it's trash. I'm just saying it's interesting. All right, y'all. So don't forget that my videos will be posted on Mondays between 3 and 4 p.m. I'm going to get to a point where I'm going to start doing 2 videos a week, but I'm just not going to commit to it just yet until I can be consistent with it. Right now, I've been consistent with my 1 video a week, so just enjoy that for now. We're gonna get them rolling faster soon. We'll get it going faster soon. Soon enough. Again, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. All right, y'all. Till next time, peace.